want to know what successful auto repair shop owners know? If you answered yes to that question, this could be the most important video that you'll see this year. Hey, it's Matthew here, the Car Count Fixer. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers, where we're all about helping you grow your car count, income, and profits. Look, here's what I know about you. You're an independent auto repair shop owner. You've taken risk to go into business. You're an independent thinker, and you're not just going to take things and statistics and data that I say without adequate proof. Am I right? Well, now I have the proof. I've just commissioned some research and had my team go out and do things on a particular topic that is so relates to car count. It's going to blow you away, but it's not about getting more car count through advertising as much as what happens after you do that advertising. Look, I don't want to confuse you. I just got into reading this report and I wanted to share the fact that this is going to shock you. And when I release all this information in a video next week, it's going to change the way you operate your repair shop. I promise. Look, there's only one thing you got to remember right now. I just got into this report, and you need to remember the number 27. That's it. Just remember that number. Make a note of it. Jot it down. The number 27 becomes really huge in understanding everything in how to grow your car count, income, and profits. So I don't want to take up a lot of your time right now, but understand that this is going to be available soon in the next few days. Go ahead over here and smash that subscriber button and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be first to be notified every time I upload information and when I release everything in this report. I'm going to tell you, yes, it's a little bit of work to go through this and compile it into a short video that's going to make sense. But remember the number 27. It's going to change the way you do business. And if you're still hanging around watching this video, head over here. There's a video I just did on some free tools that you can use immediately. And down here is a video that YouTube says you're probably going to like. So take care. Talk soon. It's Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video.